So in today's video we are going to learn pituitary gland, which is also known as master gland. Firstly, its location. Pituitary gland is located below hypothalamus. Pituitary gland rests within a hollowed out area of sphenoid bone, also called as pituitary fossa or sella trucica. Now its diameter is of 1.25 centimeter. Shape, its oval shaped structure, which is basically a pea-sized gland. Its weight ranges from 500 to 900 mg. Pituitary gland consists of two lobes, posterior and anterior. Posterior lobe also known as neurohypophysis, where anterior lobe also known as adenohypophysis. In between anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary, there is a thin tissue which is known as pars intermedia, which is basically a part of anterior pituitary. Till now, we have seen location, diameter, shape, and weight. We have also seen how anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary is connected with each other. Now, pituitary gland is connected to hypothalamus through infundibulum, or which is also known as pituitary stalk. Now let's talk about hormones anterior pituitary secrete. So anterior pituitary secretes 6 hormones, which are basically growth hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, and prolactin. Key to remember all these hormones: the GF is in Lapinose, the TH refers to thyroid stimulating hormone, G for growth hormone, F for FSH follicle stimulating hormone is in L for luteinizing hormone, A for adrenocorticotropic hormone, and P for prolactin. So again the GF is in Lapinose. Now growth hormone, which is involved with the growth, follicle stimulating hormone, which plays a role in development and reproduction. Next, luteinizing hormone, which is essential to testosterone production and reproduction. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, which is involved with the stress and fear responses. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH, which is important for healthy metabolism. And prolactin, which promotes milk production in females. Now release of these hormones is controlled by hypothalamus, which sends signal in the form of releasing hormone to tell the anterior pituitary when to secrete its hormones. Once again, pituitary gland, which is also known as master gland, location below hypothalamus and in pituitary fossa, diameter 1.25 centimeter, shape oval shape, weight 500 to 900 mg, consists of two lobe, anterior and posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary, so it has 6 hormones: D thyroid, G growth hormone, F FSH is in L luteinizing, A adrenocorticotropic hormone, and P for prolactin. Now let's see posterior pituitary. It secretes oxytocin and vasopressin hormones. I remember it with a key: vaporizer. VA for vasopressin, P refers to posterior pituitary, and O for oxytocin. Now oxytocin plays an important role in childbirth and lactation, and also have a role in compassion and social bonding. Now vasopressin control urine output and regulate blood pressure. Okay, so posterior pituitary secretes oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin plays an important role in childbirth and lactation, where vasopressin controls urine output and regulate blood pressure. Now coming to blood supply. So it's supplied by single inferior hypophyseal artery and several superior hypophyseal artery. They both are branch of interior carotid artery. Okay, so superior and inferior hypophyseal artery. Now venous drainage. So inferior hypophyseal vein drain into dural venous sinuses. So venous drainage is in intercavernous sinuses. Now again let's review all of this. So pituitary, master gland, location below hypothalamus and in pituitary fossa, diameter 1.25 centimeter, shape oval shape, weight ranges from 500 to 900 mg, consists of two lobes, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary secretes 6 hormones. The GF is in Lapinose. Thyroid stimulating hormone. G refers to growth hormone. F for FSH, which is a follicle stimulating hormone. L for luteinizing hormone. A for adrenocorticotropic hormone, and P for prolactin. Posterior pituitary secretes oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin plays an important role in childbirth and lactation. Vasopressin controls urine output and regulate blood pressure. Next, blood supply. So it is supplied by superior and inferior hypophyseal artery. And venous drainage. So venous drainage is an intercavernous sinus. Thank you.